In this video, I will show you how to find a bio in YouTube Shorts. So first, if you want to find the bio of the channel that uploaded the video, what you want to do is inside of the short, click on the channel name, so in this case owner-com, and from there you can then go and click right under their subscriber count, where you see the first line of their bio or description, and after doing that you will see their description, as well as other links and more info about them. Now, if you want to find the bio or description of the short itself, what you need to do is click on the line all the way at the bottom, which in this case says, why does In-N-Out pay workers so much? So go and click on that line, and then there you can also view their description. So in this case, it's just a bunch of tags, but that is another bio that you can find using YouTube Shorts. So now you know how to find the bio in YouTube Shorts. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.